Elon Musk's Tesla set to report record earnings. Cybertrucks, new factories in focus. Tesla has weathered the global supply chain crisis better than other automakers. Tesla is expected to post record revenue on Wednesday, but analysts and investors are focusing on how fast Tesla can scale up production at 2 new factories this year with technology changes as well as battery and other supply chain constraints. Clouding the outlook. Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk promises an updated product roadmap on Wednesday, with eyes on the time frames for the launch of Cybertruck and a hoped-for $25,000, roughly Rs. 18 Lake electric car. I would not be surprised if Tesla has some significant manufacturing challenges, producing the new vehicle structures and new batteries in high volumes. Tesla has weathered the global supply chain crisis better than other automakers, producing a record number of vehicles, and revenue is expected to rise 52% in the fourth quarter to $16.4 billion, roughly Rs. 670 crore, according to Refinitiv data. Automotive gross margin excluding regulatory credits are expected to be flat or up slightly from the previous quarter, despite an inflationary environment which has a negative impact on component costs, said Gene Munster, managing partner at venture capital firm Loop Ventures. New factories. Analysts said Tesla's 2 new factories in Texas and Berlin eventually could double Tesla's production capacity.